Hello vegan adventurers, welcome to the first day in Odda, Norway. Today I'm gonna be trail running to Eidesnuten peak, and after in the evening we're gonna see some amazing waterfall. Let's get into the vlog. As I'm running up to Eidesnuten peak, you can see the Odda town right underneath me with some snowy mountains in the background. And here the path was crossing through the top of this amazing waterfall. And here I stumbled upon this fresh spring coming right out from the ground, which is great from getting some vitamin B12. As see on the map, I don't have much more to the top, maybe another 500 meters, but it's already 11:30 and it's taking me longer than it should because it's slippery and wet. But I should already go back because Sanya is expecting me back at 12, so I'm just gonna message her that I'm gonna be late and I'm gonna make it to the top. At this point I'm also entering the area of snow. It's also getting colder and I'm only running in shorts, so I have to be moving all the time to keep warm. So now I'm passing through this little frozen lake, so now not only the ground is covered with snow, but it's also quite wet here, so I can't stop moving because my feet would get really cold. I'm looking at the map and the top should be just somewhere over here. And here I got up on the top. It's much more windy. I got this amazing view, but I don't see any sign that I'm on the top. Okay, so this is it. I don't know why they put the top here. I thought the top was over there, but I had to go a little bit more down. It says 903 meters above sea level. So the sea is just down here. So I ran like 900 meters elevation. And let's see the view over here. And over here we have epic views of this other side. You can see the lake called Waterfall down here, and it's separated from the fjord by town Odda that you can see just underneath me. Then we can see the mountains with the fjord on the left side. It's about 12 o'clock, so I started around 10. It took me 2 hours to get up here running pace, so and that's because the rocks are slippery and there is lots of snow as well up here. So let's go back. So it's unbelievable that this is all fjord. This is a sea. It's coming around the mountains all the way that way to Bergen. Another like 100 kilometers or even more. It's insane. And here you can see the injury I got last week when I was also trail running. And now I slipped again on some wet rocks and I scratched it again a little bit. You have to be extra cautious when running on these slippery rocks. It's like there is some epic waterfall there. I don't know how to get to it. Let's try down here. Look at that, pretty big waterfall. I don't know why there is no paths to here. This is the second time in Norway we see an epic waterfall and there is no paths. Literally I had to go bushwhacking through here to understand that. Let me get closer. Here I managed to scramble up through this debris of woods and slippery rocks, and now I just got right under the waterfall, which looks pretty epic. Look at it. Wow, such an awesome waterfall. I don't know why is there no path to it. Look at this, just woods. Huh. Norway is weird. Okay, just like that, I'm back in town. As you can see, you would have never known that there is some hiking path over here. All you have to do is download maps.me if you wanna find out some hiking paths around here. And here you can again see the Eidesnuten peak where I've been about an hour ago. So it looks really steep, especially this first part. It was definitely an epic trail run slash hike. Oh, look at this, a plum tree. Very good. Now I'm gonna have really late breakfast, some oranges and some bananas and also some juicy dates.